Welcome to social classes. In this video, we are discussing the most important questions for BA second semester, subject psychology, paper general psychology 2. We have made same videos the most important questions for every subject, so do check out your playlist for your respective class. Maximum marks are 80, theory marks are 70, and the time allowed for your theory paper is 3 hours. Attempt any 7. In the actual question paper, there will be 12 options and you'll have to attempt any 7 of them. Equilibration, Oedipus complex, self-report measures, imaginary audience, trust versus mistrust. General intelligence, non-verbal tests of intelligence, ego ideal, pie chart, median, skewness or Gaive, projective techniques, conscientiousness, nature versus nurture, object performance, fluid intelligence, object permanence, fluid intelligence, histogram, negative correlation, intelligence quotient real self, development, specific intelligence, neuroticism, repression, general factor of intelligence, negative correlation, mean, standard deviation, histogram, primary mental abilities. Trait, extroversion, intrapsychic conflict, thematic apperception test, mode, Flynn effect, Alfred Binet, correlation, crystallized intelligence, culture fair test, projection, Oedipus conflict, free association, merits of median, growth and development, fraternal twins, catharsis, S factor, types of correlation, chronological age, LL Thurstone, pre-operational stage of development, disposition, Big Five, fluid intelligence, sublimation, unconditional positive regard, positive correlation, maturity, G factor, non-verbal tests, identity crisis. Unit 1, compare Eysenck and Casta and McRae theories of personality. Discuss the behavioral assessment of personality. Critically evaluate Freud's psychoanalytic theory of personality. Throw light upon Eysenck's theory of personality. Elucidate upon McCosta and Cray's theory of personality. Define personality. Elaborate on the non-directive theory of personality. Write in detail about different ways to measure personality. Explain in detail Freud's theory of personality. What are the different projective techniques used to measure personality? Describe in detail Freud's stage of psychosexual development. Unit 2. Discuss in detail the biological factors of development. Discuss the implications of Paget's theory of cognitive development. Critically evaluate Erikson's theory of psychosocial development. Explain Paget's theory of cognitive development. Explain in detail Paget's theory of cognitive development. What do you understand by development? Discuss Erikson's stage theory with special emphasis on identity crisis during teenage years. Is nature more important in determining development or nurture? Discuss what is cognitive development. Discuss Paget's theory of cognitive development with special emphasis on sensory motor stage. Is nature more important in determining development or nurture? Discuss using relevant examples. Unit 3. Give the detailed account of individual and group tests of intelligence. Critically evaluate Thurstone's theory of intelligence. Explain Thurstone's theory of intelligence. Elucidate upon Guilford's theory of intelligence. Throw light upon role of heredity and environment in intelligence. Elaborate upon Thurstone's theory of intelligence. Elucidate upon measurement of intelligence. Give Wechsler's definition of intelligence. Elaborate Thurstone's theory of intelligence. Elucidate on the following: measurement of intelligence, Guilford's model of intelligence. Define intelligence. Discuss the concept of intelligence. Explain Spearman's two-factor theory of intelligence. Elaborate Thurstone's theory of intelligence. How is Thurston's theory different from Spearman's? Define intelligence. Explain Guilford's theory of intelligence in detail. Unit 4. Calculate median for the following frequency distribution. Calculate mean for the following frequency distribution. What is correlation? Discuss in detail types of correlation. Compute Pearson product movement correlation between these two sets of scores x and y. Compute standard deviation for the following set of data. Compute Spearman rank between the two sets of scores. Compute standard deviation for the mean, which is 115. Find rank order correlation for the following data and check its significance. Calculate standard deviation of the following data. Compute product moment correlation for the following data. You conduct a study to determine the impact that varying the amount of noise in an office has on worker productivity. You obtain the following productivity scores. Assuming that the productivity scores are normally distributed ratio scores, compute the summaries of this experiment. Draw the appropriate graph for these data. In the following data, the X scores reflect participants' rankings in first year of college and the Y scores reflect their rankings in third year of college. To what extent do these data form a linear relationship? This is the graph, the table for the previous question. And thank you for watching and all the best for your exam. And don't forget to check out other videos in your class playlist. Thank you.